Good morning, everyone. This is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. The screen has gone, so we're going to replace it. First of all, I have one replacement screen, which is service pack, means original part. Now, there are a few steps. The first steps that we're going to do, we're going to get access into this old phone through taking out the back cover and the mid frame. All the components include motherboard, cameras, everything, and the battery. And once we've taken out everything, we're going to reassemble into the new housing which attached to the screen. As you can see, this one comes with the screen. Okay, so this is the advantage for buying original part, because it comes with the power button, volume button, and sometimes even comes with the speaker. It depends on the model. So we're going to keep it aside. And now I'm going to use the hairdryer, as you can see here. And then also we do have the glue and double-sided tape. But in this one, I'm going to use double-sided tape. But for you, I would suggest you to use V7000, B for Bravo, 7000 adhesive. This is really good. It's sealed. It doesn't make it waterproof anymore, but it's sealed better than any double-sided tape. All right, so here is the one. And also we do have some basic tools, as you can see: tweezer, then Phillips screwdriver, flat opening tools. Pretty much that's all. Okay, and I do have the automatic one because the mid frame does have a lot of screws, all of them same in size, so we don't have to organize it. You can keep it together, it's up to you. And then before we pull out the motherboard should have one screw, which is black color. And then charging port means charging board. The secondary board also do have a couple of screws which you have to remove before you pull out. The common mistakes that we do to forget to take out the SIM tray, which is very crucial. We have to take it out, otherwise it's going to damage the SIM itself, the tray, and the actual motherboard. So first, want this up, and we're going to pull out the back cover. You can apply the heat evenly, and that should be fine. Okay, so hopefully you would enjoy the rest of the video. Carry on. Half part of this video is just how to take this out, and then second half would be, how to put it back, which is almost similar things, And still, if you do have any question, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. Okay, and as you can see, the back cover, I believe this is not the original back cover. Somebody replaced it before, and that's the reason why it came off completely easily. The original one would be much more difficult than this. And when you spudger it, be careful, because this sort of battery back cover is in between acrylic, plastic, and glass. Okay, so those things get shattered easily. So when you pull this off, make sure you apply enough heat and pull it out, and don't forget to switch off the phone before you start. Okay, now we are taking out all the screws, as you can see, and step by step we're going to get this done. So let's see how it goes. Now we're gonna put the back cover on. Now I always suggest to use adhesive glue rather than double-sided tape, because double-sided tape is not that good as the actual liquid glue. Okay, but I put it on purpose because I might need to open it again. As you can see, the screen is working. I double checked everything. And when you remove the battery, be careful, try to use plastic flat opening tool, and also you can use 99.99% rubbing alcohol to make it easy.